today we're going to be opening the Let's Get Batty Scentsy warmer. I just got it in. I'm so excited. It's in our Harvest collection. So let's go ahead and open it up. This was the one I really wanted, and I am so excited to get it. So it has a round ceramic dish. Let's go ahead and open her up. I love bats. I decorated with bats in my dining room, and so this is gonna be perfect. Okay, so let me go ahead, take her out of the plastic. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so I thought the bats were painted on there, but they're not. They're actually like placed on there. How stinking cute is this? You guys, adorable. Look. Okay, so now let's put in the bulb and plug her in. And we're also going to try her with some other bulbs as well, because Scentsy has colored bulbs now. And I'm super excited to try it with other colors, because I'm thinking green might be cute. We have green, blue, we have red, we have orange. We also have purple, but honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the purple bulbs. They're not super bright. They're more of like they seem more of like a black light kind of thing. It's not my bag, so I don't even have any of those. But the other colors I do love. So, all right, so first we're gonna try it with the clear, and I'm gonna turn my light down a little bit so that you could see it better. It's a 25 watt bulb. So let's go ahead and get it going. All right. So 1, 2, and 3. That's beautiful. Oops. That is beautiful. I love it. I love those bats. How cute is that? I thought they were painted on. They're not. It's like little metal pieces. Very cute. So now I'm going to try red. I usually don't go for red, but we're going to try it just to see. If you're doing a vampire theme, this would be really cute. So let's go ahead and check it out. The orange might be pretty too, just because of Halloween. Okay, so let's go with red. All right, it's hard to see. Let me turn this down a little bit more. Okay. All right, so there you go. You can see the red. It's much better in person. It's hard to see with the camera, but very cool. I love it. All right, so now we're gonna try the blue. Again, blue is, I don't know, to me doesn't say Halloween, but everyone's decor is different. So let's go ahead and try the blue and see what we think. Let's see. All right. Let's go ahead and turn her on. That's really pretty, actually. I know it's so hard to see. I wish it was darker in here, but it's not. There we go. You could see it from the back. It's really pretty. So if blue is your thing, well then that's perfect. I'm going to try orange now, because I'm thinking the orange and the green and the clear are probably going to be the best ones for this. But let's check it out. Let's do orange. I'm doing green last because I'll probably leave the green in there. I love green for Halloween. Okay. So let's go ahead and turn it on without dropping it. Yeah, orange. I don't know. I kind of like the orange. That looks phenomenal. Green, you better bring it, because orange, it has already been brought in. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love the orange. You guys tell me in the comments below which one you like the best. The orange. You guys, so stinking cute. All right, let's do green. And then I'll do clear again so we can see clear again. So you can now judge. The red was okay. The blue was okay. The orange was phenomenal. Let's see the green. See, the green is so... I love green for Halloween. I just think it's so cute. You guys. I love it. It's so... I love it. It is so pretty. All right, so now we're gonna do the clear again, but I love the green and the orange, and I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. I might go with the green bulb for a couple weeks and then switch it to orange. I don't know. I like to change things up. So let me get this in here straight. Focus, Vickie, focus on the task at hand. I can't wait to style this. I have more coming, but let's go ahead and turn this one on. See, the white's beautiful too. The clear, you guys, I don't know. Tell me which one you like the best. Clear, orange, or green. Let me know which one I should use. I like all three. I don't know, but I love this warmer. This warmer is phenomenal. So if you want to order this warmer, go ahead to the link, the bio. Why do we have to do that? It's so weird. And then scroll to where it says Harvest Collection, and that's where this will be found. You need this one. You need it in your life. And grab the Gimme Candy wax bar. When I tell you it's amazing, I'm not even playing with you. I'm not, and I put in my kitchen today, you probably saw it with the Tom warmer. I put the white pumpkin and driftwood. That's a new scent. First time for me warming it, and it is phenomenal. But you guys, clap it up. I mean, how pretty is that? You need this one. All right, have a great day.